Welcome back to our SQL course for beginners. In this video, we're going to explore the Select Distinct statement in SQL, a powerful tool for retrieving unique data from a database. Using an example table, we'll see how to filter out duplicates and get a clearer picture of our data. Let's get started. In databases, you often encounter duplicate values in a column. For example, in a students table, the same class might appear multiple times for different students. If you want to find all the unique classes or grades, you can use the Select Distinct statement. Here's the basic syntax of the Select Distinct statement. Select Distinct keyword tells the database to return only unique combinations of the specified columns. Column 1, Column 2 are the columns you want to retrieve without duplicates. From table name specifies the table where the data is stored. Now, let's see this in action using our students table. Our students table looks like this. Suppose we want to find all the unique classes. Here's the query. Select distinct class from students. Select distinct class ensures we only get unique class values. From students specifies the table we're querying. The result is class column with values 9A, 9B, and 8A. As you can see, even though multiple students are in the same class, the result shows each class only once. Now, let's find all the unique grades achieved by students. The query is similar. Select distinct grade from students. This query returns a list of unique grades from the students table. The result is grade column with values A, B, and C. Again, we see each grade appears only once, even though multiple students have the same grade. What if we want to find all the unique combinations of class and grade? We can use this query. Select distinct class, grade from students. Select distinct class, grade ensures we get unique pairs of class and grade values. This is useful for analyzing how grades are distributed across classes. The result is as shown. This result shows each unique combination of class and grade in the students table. The Select Distinct statement is crucial when you need to clean up data, analyze trends, or get an overview of unique values in your database. It's especially helpful in large datasets where duplicates are common. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SQL lessons. Drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.